If you want to know how to fix TikTok, this effect doesn't work with this device problem, you've come to the right place. So let's open TikTok and let's say that we want to use some effect from the effects library, but we have a message which is like tells that this effect doesn't work with this device. So how can we fix it? Basically, we have a solution and I want to show you all the ways of how can you fix this problem. Firstly, we need to close the app and then just open the App Store or Google Play. It depends on your mobile device. So here we need to search for TikTok. And then from this page here, make sure that you have the latest version. For example, now I have only the open button, so it means I have the latest version. But if you have the update button, please make sure that you've uploaded the latest version. So click on update and then just solve it. So after that, we can return to our TikTok and let's try to use it once more. But if it still doesn't work, we need to follow the next way. We need to click on profile in the right bottom corner, then just click on more in the right top corner on these three lines. Click on settings and privacy and then scroll down to find report a problem. So after that, find the necessary topic. We need to click on videos and sounds right up here. And then just choose video editing, so editing video line here. And then just click on using voice effects or voice filters, basically something like this. Or we can find like beauty, filters, effects, and templates. So we can click on it. And then we can click on using filters or effects. So let's click. And then we can find some advices from the TikTok we can try to fix. And if it didn't help, we can click on no here and then just click on need more help. So after that, we need to explain our problem. We need to write something like this. Hello, I want to use this effect, but it doesn't work as for me. Please fix it or do some other stuff. So all we need to do is just to simply explain our problem in this field here. We can also add some additional screenshots or videos. We are going to send together with this text, and then all we need to do is just to click on submit. And after that, the TikTok support team will receive our message and probably they will fix it from themselves, so we don't even have to do something. But you need to know that sometimes some of effects are not available for some type of devices, and probably you have this problem, so it's impossible to fix. So this is how can we fix this problem. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.